Hey there, welcome to our Golden Rule DIY series. I'm Fred Horstman, and today I want to share some essential AC maintenance tips to keep your system running efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, safety is paramount. Before you start maintenance on your AC unit, turn off power at the breaker box. This will prevent any accidents and ensure you can work safely. Locate the breaker box. Find the switch labeled AC and turn it off. Next, let's clear any debris around the outdoor unit. Over time, leaves, dirt, and other debris can accumulate, obstructing airflow and reducing efficiency. Make sure to keep at least a 2-foot clearance around the unit for optimal airflow. One of the most critical components of your AC system is the condenser coil. A clean condenser coil ensures your unit can release heat efficiently, keeping your home cool. If the coil is dirty, it has to work much harder, which can lead to higher energy bills and potential system breakdowns. Regular cleaning is key to maintaining your system's efficiency. Now, let's clean the condenser coil. Using a garden hose, gently rinse the coil to dislodge any dirt. Be gentle to avoid damaging the delicate fins of the coil. Now that you know how to clean your AC condenser, let's head inside. Finally, let's check and replace the air filter. A clean air filter is essential for maintaining good indoor air quality and ensuring your AC system runs smoothly. Filters come in different styles. If you are looking to reduce dust and air particles, contact your local HVAC expert. They'll have many options to choose from. Your air filter is usually near your unit's air handler. Here is some example of locations and doors. Locate the air filter, remove it, and inspect it. If it's dirty or clogged, replace it with a new one. This should be done every 1 to 3 months. A clean air filter means better airflow and a more efficient system. Make sure it's pointed in the correct direction. Let's flip the breaker back on, and I will meet you guys outside. By following these simple DIY AC maintenance tips, you can help extend the life of your unit and keep your home comfortable all season long. If you ever feel overwhelmed, do not hesitate to call an expert in your area. Thank you for watching this video. We invite you to like and subscribe to see more videos.